Alright, it sat since Monday, so I'm going to show you the crazy no start crank for half an hour and then finally start thing. Fuel pump kicks on normally. I'll cut the key off, prime it again. And this is what it does. But as soon, yeah, that part's cool. It loads up really bad, which I'd guess is a combination of the bad map sensor and it just not firing on all four right away, so it's like it's loading up a cylinder. But it'll act like this for 5 or 10 minutes, but then once the car is warm, it's perfect. No problems at all.